do you find, obviously, there's the old school and the new school, and a lot of times with second generation plumbers, even techs in general, that's usually kind of where the rub happens a little bit is the new generation wants to embrace the new generation things, the softwares, the technologies, the pay-to-play mentality of Google. Was that kind of a little bit of adjustment period?
Well, that was maybe a little bit of the disconnect with my father and I.
Yeah.
And that's okay,
Yeah.
But what my father taught me is the old school way of running a business.
Right.
And so I've really taken the old school mentality and just brought it into the new age with technology. We're on service side and we have iPads. We have, we're keeping up with the times. So
Yeah.
really using tech to our advantage.